Today, we're not going to talk about any one specific horror film or slasher icon, but instead about things, characters, and scenes that could be considered horror, yet come from non-horror properties. So this should be pretty fun. For this video specifically, I want to talk about Home Alone, and in particular, that damned dreaded furnace from Home Alone, an object that Kevin believes to be haunted, hence why he avoids the basement as much as possible. Now, Home Alone is obviously not a horror movie in any way, and is probably one of the top 3 most beloved Christmas films ever made, so it's interesting to think about some of its creepier elements, and rest assured, the film definitely has its share of creepy moments, such as the ominous third floor, and the Old Man Marley storyline.
Yeah! Look out!
But none of those compare to the basement sequences that feature Kevin's old pal, the aforementioned furnace, who seemingly comes alive every time Kevin goes downstairs, its innards glowing with glowing cinders, growling and gnashing at Kevin in extremely threatening fashion. Of course, these are all childhood delusions of Kevin, but this fact doesn't stop the scenes from being bizarre, unnerving, and sometimes even frightening. Luckily for Kevin, all it took was a swift shut up, and the haunted furnace was stripped of all its power.
Shut up!
Go, Kevin. But what about you? Did the evil haunted furnace from Home Alone ever freak you out as a kid? Let me know in the comments below how you felt about this furnace from hell. I have a strong feeling that there's 2 camps of people when it comes to this question. Those who are legitimately frightened by said furnace, and those who are lying. But again, let me know in the comments below, and let me know if I should cover Old Man Marley himself in this Scary Stuff in Non-Scary Movies series within TobattoVision. Thanks for watching.